What is background shorthand property? Well, we can set background image, we can control repetition of our background image, we can control scrolling of our background image, and we can set position of our background image for selected HTML element with 4 different CSS properties. Well, with the shorthand CSS property, we can set all these CSS properties in one line of code. So with the background shorthand property, we can set background image like a first value, background repeat like second value, background attachment like third value, and background position like fourth and fifth value. So this is basically how we can use background shorthand property to set all background CSS properties like one line of code.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate to our PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting